This next song is called Eros. It's also on Tandemania. We just released it as a single. And it's kind of written about when you end a relationship and you're kind of like just getting over the hill and you're still a little bit bitter, but you're feeling okay. So this is Eros. Stop right there, it's been a while since I've walked on my own. Whoa, whoa. And love is a dare, and I'd be lying if I said I was brave enough to have another go. And some may say that if you step out the way, you're only shooting yourself from behind. I've seen it all and I know Cupid, you're my downfall. Some say arrows point you where you ought to go, and some say the sharper the better. Baby, I don't know, 'cause I've been hit, I've been hurt, I've been kissed and I've been burned by arrows. My arrow. Share of the lion, you bit off more than you could chew when you said you loved me. And 365 days, and I'm finally realizing I'm too good for you. Too goody two shoes. But if I tried to outrun the feelings that I have felt, I never learned the hard way from you. I hope that you're happy. Now you'll never have me, but I was yours to lose. Some say arrows point you where you ought to go, and some say the sharper the better. But baby, I don't know, 'cause I've been hit, I've been hurt, I've been kissed and I've been burned by arrows. By arrows. Some say arrows point you where you ought to go, and some say the sharper the better. But baby, I don't know, 'cause I've been hit, I've been hurt, I've been kissed and I've been burned. Oh, some say arrows point you where you ought to go, and some say the sharper the better. Baby, I don't know, 'cause I've been hit, I've been hurt, I've been kissed and I've been burned by arrows. By arrows. By arrows. By arrows. By arrows.